Hi, this is Christina with Tinagirl Travels. British Columbia Automobile Association, also known as BCAA, has just installed a pavement patty in front of one of our local elementary schools. Let's drive by and have a look. Pavement Patty is a 3D pavement illusion. She's over 40 feet tall. From the side of the road, she kind of looks like spilled paint. She's a great reminder that we need to slow down in school zones. Let's drive past one more time and see what it looks like for the drivers driving past.